Kasang Trinamool Congress kalapin manaya ka kateng jong Zenit Sangma banlong kumbuk kotong syaka election Lok Sabha na Portura parliamentary seat. Laban kedua hang ni bawa Zenit Sangma ulong u MLA barim pada kujuk poru u menteri barim joga sokar jela. Pada kujuk poru ulong para jong Dr. Mukul Sangma. Dakan ni kejing pemna juga Kasang Trinamool Congress syaka kateng jong Zenit Sangma banyak khun na Portura. Kapau syai bahajan lam Khlem Jingïatehlok apa dengan Kasang Congress Kasang Trinamool Congress bagi par kisang pok kasatri juga kenut India kana mereka setia. Haswa jakan dia kaliang Dr. Mukul Sangma oleh tu bakal dan kejingnya penbaik. Apa yang kini ki arkan huan bagi kisang ki bape pok kasatri juga India Henry na kaliang Kasang Congress pat kalaya cakmat ban pemnai ka katang jauh saling sangma banlong kumuk kotong jaga Kasang Congress na Portura parliamentary seat. Karban kaliang kini ngilam jaga Kasang Congress pat kumucara Ramesh bar kiwe kila therting ya Kasang TMC haba kala permana yagi katong na borok southwardly ki seat Lok Sabha na po West Bengal. Ujara Ramesh ulong bakandi kajing permana jaga Kasang TMC haba borok southwardly ki seat po West Bengal kala bandai kajing Jingïatehlok ni kajing penbor jong no banyak persya jaga Kasang Congress. Da kajing permana Kasang TMC jaga kateng jong Zenit Sangma haduk mentah na Portura dan langut ki katong ki banyak kon election MP magta ki long akata Sangma ka banyak na Kasang National People's Party usalang isang maubanya yang na Kasang Congress but Zenit Sangma ubanyang na Kasang TMC.
All the 42 candidates.
The Indian National Congress has always maintained that it wants a respectable seat sharing formula with the TMC in West Bengal. Respectable seat sharing formula means mutual negotiations, give and take, some compromise. We have always said that our doors are open for seat sharing negotiations and seat sharing talks, but there should be no unilateral announcement of the seats. We should do it collectively together like we have done it in Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Delhi, UP and so on. We have always believed, the Indian National Congress has always wanted the India Janbandhan to fight unitedly to defeat the BJP in West Bengal. I'm talking of West Bengal specifically. So what can I say? I mean, the TMC has announced. I don't know what pressures there were on the TMC, but as far as we are concerned, we want to strengthen the India Alliance, India Group in West Bengal. TMC has repeatedly said, Mamata Banerjee ji has said that TMC is part of the India Janbandhan, and she wants and the TMC wants to defeat the BJP. So let's see what happens. But let's still put the lines on.
Yeah, we have waited long enough, and I think one can see the whole country has been observing us, waiting patiently. There was a collective intent to have single candidate from the India bloc to ensure that we put our strength collectively and aggregate our strength. But this has not happened. Now, if Congress today says that TMC has not waited and gone ahead with the announcement of all the 42 candidates in West Bengal, I think they should be reminded of the fact that the Congress is probably not grounded with what is on the ground zero. There's a complete delink from the ground reality. Is it not a fact that they have already gone ahead and announced their candidature in respect of Meghalaya? Meghalaya, there are 2 seats. Out of the 2, Congress has already gone ahead and then announced their seats, announced their candidates.